Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are back with Card Making Monday with Creative Memories and Monarch Mom DIY. Today I am highlighting this Pink Power Trio card kit. So it is $6 on my Creative Memories website. You get everything you need to create 3 cards as well as these bonus ephemera pieces, and I'm going to show you both options for each of the 3 cards. So you've got all your ephemera pieces nicely packaged in a plastic sleeve here, and on the back side they will have a number, either 1, 2, or 3, and then letters starting with A and then as many as you need. So the first thing I do with a card trio is I sort all my ephemera pieces by which card they belong to. Once all of the pieces are sorted, I will move piles 2 and 3 out of the way and then come to my little direction sheets here for card number 1. I'm going to get a base card and then I'm going to start following the directions and the picture. You can always change it up if you'd like. I am going to put some adhesive all along the back of piece 1A, and this is usually whatever the background is going to be for your card. So this card is going horizontal. I'm going to line it up on the corners there on the front of my card and press that down. Then following the instructions and of course following the picture, you can just keep going. I'll then go to piece 1B and continue building my card until I get all of the pieces in place. Now for most of the pieces, I will just use a tape runner. Sometimes though, it's fun to pop up some of the pieces like this little picture with the flowers in it. So I'm gonna take some of these foam squares. You can get these on my Creative Memories website, or you can get them at craft stores like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I'm just putting a few on there to raise up this little image, and it just gives a little bit more dimension to your card. So we're going to pop up this one figure and then we'll finish putting the words on our card. And here's finished card number 1 according to the directions. Card number 2 is going to be a vertical card. We're going to again start with a card base and apply our extra pieces starting with A until we've used all of them up. And here is card number 2. It says women can and they will. Card number 3 has this cute heart in the middle, also vertical. So this pink power is kind of like a girl power themed set with the pink, black, and white. But as I'm going to show you in just a couple minutes, you're going to see the optional ephemera for each of the cards as well. If you wanted to, you could purchase 2 packages of these cards and make the 2 different card options for each card. You would then have some extra ephemera left over as well. So again, we're just layering our pieces on according to the directions and the picture. And I'm going to choose to use those foam squares here again for this heart, just to give it a little bit more of a 3-dimensional look to our card. And that is finished card number 3. Now, here I'm showing you this card the way we made it, and then you can also say, let your dreams grow wild. Instead of you grow girl, you could do bloom from within. And for this card, instead of the heart saying sending you love and strength, it could say thinking of you. So these are the second options for the cards using the bonus ephemera, and this is originally how they are made on the instructions. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this quick card making Monday video with Creative Memories and Monarch Mom DIY. Please check the links in the description box if you're interested in trying out any of these fun card kits. We'll see you again real soon. Take care.